Hello, welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars today. My brother came up today and he was showing me what he all did. He put the final touches on that 34 Plymouth. You know, we always call it the 32 Plymouth, but it's actually a 34. It was my mistake, but anyway, he's got it sitting out here and stuff, and I thought we'd show all you people that. And so there it is. No, I'm just kidding. So here it is. So here's how it turned out. We're just gonna, this will be a fast video. So yeah, here's Dino, the owner. Here's my bro. This is Dino. Here, look, I'm picking his nose. No. But yeah, so.
Full of seeds from the tree.
But yeah, you know, it's got seeds on it now from that tree there, but right from there, right there. But anyway, he's got the 318 in it, you know, that we put in it on the videos. And he did a lot of dressing up on it. As you can see, it looks really nice, don't it? It's got a nice scoop on it. You know, it's still set up for the 6.4 Hemi. Eventually it'll probably have that in it, but this thing just runs so good right now and he's enjoying summer with it. But what he's going to do is, we don't know when, but eventually we'll probably put the 6.4. But he does also have a 57 392 Hemi sitting in a 58 Hemi 392 dual quad sitting in a 68 Dart convertible right now, but that would even be nice in here, and maybe the 6.4 in the Dart. So we'll see what happens, you know. But yeah, I just want to kind of show you guys what the finished product looks like here. You know, let me zoom out here. But yeah, it's just kind of a fast video, but so you guys followed us, and this thing's on the playlist. You can follow the whole thing, you know. But I always thought it was a 32. It's a 34, I guess. But anyway, look at that. That turned out really nice. I like that. You know, it's a rat rod, you know. He fits in here nice, but my head hits the ceiling, but I'm tall. But yeah, it's really good, don't it? The headliner looks awesome. He just got done putting a radio in it, so now he finally got some tunes. Yeah. No, we won't open that up. But yeah, this thing turned out really good. It's got seeds on it now from parked by the tree. Sounds good too, and it runs really well. It's strange though, when your taillights are on. It's off now.
I got my brake pedal on, that's why.
Push your brake lights on once. Okay. Well, Dino, nice car there, bud. Love you, bud.
You did good here on it.
So guys, this is it right here. You have a safe ride though. Get those seeds, you gotta blow those seeds off. You don't want it to grow trees there, Dino, and then have all the, you know, look like it's sitting in the weeds yet. Yeah, look at all that. Yeah, that's from that river birch. How dare that river birch get seeds on this precious item.
Alright.
Okay, we'll see you later. I'm going to record you on the way out, and I'm going to put this on the channel.
Sounds like a plan.
Please like and subscribe, guys. Take care, bro. Someone pulls in my way. Yeah, it turned out okay. He's a good brother. May you be safe in your travels. Oh, I forgot to tighten that up. No, I'm just kidding. No. Oh well. Makes you wonder what we should start next. You know. I don't know. Yeah, I like that car. And I love my brother. But let's see once here. Let's get back in where it's cooler here. We're back in the shop now, so now in the next video, oh geez, we don't have to be that. We're gonna be putting the stripes on this. The wing. I got the wing ordered, I got the stripes ordered. I'm going to use 71 stripes though. They won't be 75. I like the 71 stripe. So, it'll have the 71 stripe on it. We'll be putting on the wing, the turn signal light indicators on the fenders, the duster emblems. So I'll be doing that on a video. And again, this whole car is on a playlist. From when I brought it home to when it was on the body rotisserie and everything else. But I don't want to show it to nobody until I get it done. I need people just to understand that. So, and it's not a perfect paint job by no means. It's a 55-mile paint job. Here, I'll show you an example. There it went. There it went again. There it goes. So that's the type of paint job it has on it. So unfortunately, I got a ton of work in this car. And the paint job, I give myself a C- or something on. It's in the clear. The whole problem is the clear. And then some body work, I have a little bit of waves in it, you know. When you walk by it, it waves at you, you know. But for me, it's perfect. And then if you watch all the videos on this thing, you'll know the kind of hell I went through to get it this far. So anyway, but yeah, that's the end of the 34 Plymouth. And then, but yeah, you can see this whole build on the channel too. Just click on playlists and scroll through the playlist and look for it. You'll find it. There's 3 car movies on there and everything too, so. But anyway, you guys take care. Love to all, and I mean that. I don't care who you are, wherever you are, what country you're from, what political faith party, whatever you belong to. I don't care. You're my friend. Okay? So love to all. Take care, guys, gals. Bye-bye.